Everybody's sucking.
Are you excited, babe?
I am excited. I'm very excited. Our 7th cruise.
We are about to get on our ship. Alright, we just boarded. It's really loud here.
It's really loud.
But it's the closest place to get food near the entrance. So we're trying to dust off the bus ride, which sucked. And my parents are here, so we're waiting for them to get food, and then we're gonna get food. Gary's getting our room keys ready, and we're getting ready for the big reveal, except we can't because all of our stuff is blocking the door. It's the room reveal. I gotta put some of my stuff down. Sorry, the sunlight was blocking you. I gotta put my stuff down and then I'll give you a full room reveal. All right, guys, we just got into our room, so I'm gonna give you an official room tour of our Royal Caribbean Anthem of the Seas. So I know the sun's a little bright right now, but this is our room. So let's check out the bathroom first. I have yet to see the bathroom. So let's see what we got. Okay, it's really nice. It's super modern. Of course, there's no tub, but that's typical cruise. But I love the tiling on the floor. And, oh my God, there's no tissues. There's no tissues.
There's no tissues.
That's a private joke because we watch a show called Dream Cruises.
Where they said, oh,
there's free tissues.
Complimentary tissues.
Yeah. But anyway, yeah, this is the shower. Super nice.
We'll have to ask for tissues.
Yeah. Then we have like a closet here. A nice open closet. Our little desk. Our drawers and cabinets, whatever. Another nice closet with the safe and more drawers. Oh, 2 closets. That's really good. Okay, that's good. And then here's our nice bed. And now we got the partial view balcony, and it's partial view because this juts out over us. There's probably a suite up there or something. But I do like how long the balcony is. I think it's pretty big. So, anyway, I'm happy. Are you happy, baby?
I'm very happy.
I think this is a really nice room.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, our last cruise we did a suite on Norwegian, but compared to Norwegian's regular rooms, I think this is like way nicer. I see the birds on a narrow bridge. The birds on a narrow bridge. Birds on a narrow bridge.
Don't sing my note.
The birds on a narrow bridge. I say the birds on a narrow, the birds on a narrow, the birds on a narrow bridge. You got free enough. The birds on a narrow bridge. The birds on a narrow bridge. The Verrazzano Bridge. The Verrazzano Bridge. Oh my God. Get Verrazzano Verrazzano Bridge. Watch your hair. It is sunset and I am in the solarium. It's still the first day of the cruise. I know this place is packed in the morning, and right now it is so empty. I'm sorry about this dark lighting, but I'm gonna go for a little swim in the pool and then the hot tub, and then I'm gonna go out to dinner. But this is like super nice. I'm so happy to be here. Gary didn't want to join me because football is on, and he is really missing out. He doesn't know what he's missing. So it's still day one. This is my night one outfit. And we're getting ready to go meet my parents and go out for dinner at the, what is it called? The My Time Dining. We are at the restaurant, and I just found out, okay, you can't see. They have escargot, escargot. So we went on this cruise 3 years ago, and my absolute favorite thing on the whole menu is like the escargot. It is so good. So I think I'm gonna literally order that like every single day here. I'm so excited. Say hi. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Who are we saying hi to?
Just the camera.
Oh.
Are you excited to be cruising on Royal Caribbean Anthem of the Seas again?
We are.
Yes, we are.
Okay, I'll let you get back to your menus. We are online to get breakfast at the restaurant. We don't do buffet. We only do restaurant, right, babe?
Exactly.
At least there's coffee and juice on the line. We are just sitting down to a nice breakfast after our long line wait. Why are you excited, babe? You got some asparagus with your breakfast?
Asparagus. Okay.
They have like these random paint pictures.
She had her tongue stuck out.
Is it the same girl?
It's the same girl. Yeah.
This is the face of Royal Caribbean. This is night 2. This is night outfit 2. This is my runway walk. Okay, and someone's coming. So we are getting ready to go to Chops, which is the steakhouse, which we've never been to. So we're really looking forward to it. Let's go. What you working on there, Gary? What you working on?
I'm working on lobster bisque, and it's delish.
Carnage. All right, so we are in the theater. We got here a half hour early, and we still had to wait on a stupid line to get seats. We're trying to hold out and save seats for my folks, but it's a rat race. We might lose them if they don't get here soon. And we're about getting ready to sorry, there's a waiter behind you, so no sudden moves, babe. So we're getting ready to see the gift.
The clouds are moving. You can't see it. Maybe you can. I'm going to pan the audience.
Okay, and then I have more to say.
It's still a half an hour before the show. but it'll be packed.
So we saw this before the last time we did this cruise, but I like it. It's good. It's only an hour, so we're gonna check it out again. There's a good role in it for Gary, so we're looking forward to having our memories refreshed
Right.
about how the role is.
Right.
And
It's the old guy.
the old guy. It is day 3 of our cruise. Well, the second full day. It's 11 o'clock here, but we lost an hour, so technically it's still 10. So Gary and I are still in the waking up process, sort of. I've been awake for a while, had all my coffee, and he just woke up and is having his coffee. And we're skipping breakfast because we ate so much at, what is it called? Chops last night. We ate so much. So we're gonna skip breakfast and do like a normal lunchtime. But I thought I would go for a little walk while I was waiting for Gary to wake up. So here I am on the pool deck. This is the first day it's warm enough to hang out outside. Because why start drinking later? We can start drinking now. So you put your hand on this and it syncs your pulse up with those lights. So I'm gonna
back up.
Okay. Takes 10 seconds.
That's Lori's heartbeat.
That's my pulse. It's Gary's turn. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God, Gary. Gary. Gary, you're having a heart attack. This is the main pool area at night. Hi guys, it's day 3, and this is day 3 out in the pool. And I'm so excited because we are getting ready to go to Wonderland for the evening, which is our favorite restaurant on the ship. Yes, I'm taking video.
We have here bird in the nest, or we call buffalo chicken egg from the element of buffalo. Asap, we have orange, yellow, red carrot, radish, red meat, yellow meat, asparagus, duck liver, sit up, and special soy all the way from Germany. It's a bread, pumpernickel bread, mixed with truffle oil from the seed of Bordeaux sauce, bone marrow, red wine sauce.
I'm filming it. I gotcha. Oh, that's the mushroom thing.
Yeah.
All right, do it.
Nice bowl of chocolate. We call it dubo.
Do it.
Crispy covered with white chocolate in the bottom, caraway seed, gold dust in the top. Abracadabra.
Works every time.
We have inside peanut butter creme brulee covered with fresh granola chocolate mousse. We have here magical mushroom. This mushroom, the big one, is made from white chocolate pistachio mousse.
Oh my God.
The stand, it's meringue. On the bottom we have red velvet chocolate pistachio crumb, sugar candy, mango sorbet. Small surgery.